Hello and welcome. So, how do you connect Etsy to your TikTok shop and ultimately use Etsy for your TikTok? Okay, so that's very simple, so bear with me. Let's go ahead and open your seller's account first. I'm going to need to open three platforms here, so bear with me. Switch for the load here. Once your seller's account is open, just go ahead and open your TikTok account, the account itself, okay, not the sellers, because we've already opened the sellers. So go ahead and log into your TikTok page. Okay, here we go. And once you're done with that, just go ahead and open the by the way, just make sure that your TikTok is linked with your seller's account. Just click my account here, underneath it, linked TikTok account. Okay, just double checked if your account is already linked. Okay, so like this one, it's already linked. And now the next step is to go to a new prompt here. Go to open a new prompt and search for the Etsy seller. And on the Etsy seller right here, you're going to be opening it. And as you can see, I already have an account here. So ultimately, how do you connect this to your TikTok sellers? So it's fairly easy. Unfortunately, in my country, it's nowhere to be found here on the TikTok sellers account in my country, but this is just the process I'm going to show you. Click the apps and services, click the app store. So again, it's not available in my country, but it's very similar to this. You could search the Etsy seller right here on top of here. So I'm in the Philippines, so unfortunately it's not available here. I could create an account, but TikTok Philippines sellers is not affiliated with Etsy. So let's say, for example, this is Etsy right here. You're going to click install. Like, see all these apps here on the side? Yes, that's exactly what it looked like when you're installing with Etsy. So go ahead and, for example, they're going to be asking for your authorization process. So right here, contact email, phone number, optional. I'd like to put it either way because they're going to be sending notifications if you put it here. Okay, so this is a totally different app, but this is how it's going to work. The same with Etsy. Okay, click here to install, and once you do that, you'll be connecting the app itself, like for example Etsy. So that's exactly how it goes. So now to your Etsy account, how do you use it? Well, basic drop shipping. That's how you use this. You search a product here using this as a third-party platform. Like for example, like boxing. I'm going to search for a product that I'm going to be reselling on my TikTok account. So this is my source right here. Okay, so there's a bunch of processes on drop shipping. Like there's a bunch of techniques, but this is the very basic one, using a third party platform. Okay, so click on one of these wholesale gloves here so I could sell it on retail later on my account. Okay, just need to fill out the informations here on the side of the gloves. So yeah, once we're done here, just click buy now. Let's wait for it to load. So it's going to be asking for your address, so just give your address, the correct address, or your warehouse address on your TikTok shop if you have one. Okay, country, full name, street address, apartment. Okay, suite, and other. It's optional. So yeah, basically that's how it goes. City, postal code, continue for payment, and there you go. So let's say you already have the product. Let's say that you've already bought it from Etsy and you have the product on hand or to your supplier. It's on your ready with your supplier. So basic drop shipping, add products, manage products. So as you can see here on the side, on the underneath here, this is a product of mine, a sample product that I've been using for this tutorial videos. This is a product that I've legitimately uploaded just for the sake of the video. Here's the price. So once you're done, this is how it's going to look like. So add new product. For example, if you already have the boxing glove that you bought on Etsy or whatever product, add an image if you want to. Scroll down, description, the product name. So what's the name of the product that you're trying to sell? Okay, you could be creative with this. So don't be shy on creating polarizing names. And yeah, here we go. The category, it's sports, right? Of course, because it's a boxing product. So let's wait for it to load here. And here are the product attributes, the dimensions, the what's the season for the product here, like what age group is it available for, adult, you can do children or both if you have a lot of stocks. Okay, now country of origin, so on and so forth. Scroll down to add the description of the product. This is the label where customers will see your product and they'll be seeing this as a advertising niche. Okay, be creative with this. This product is top line of the boxing equipment. Yeah, we're trying to advertise the product here, so it'll be polarizing enough for them to choose and buy and hopefully land your first sell on your e-commerce platform. Okay, so be creative with this one. You could use ChatGPT or AI generated if you want to, but manual is always good. Okay, you could add video here, and the price, yeah, right here, scroll on top, you can see you could add a video of your product, and let's say 400. Quantity, how many do you have in stock? Scroll down. Shipping, let's go ahead with shipping. This is count in grams or kilograms. So let's say kilograms, and dimensions 2 by 3 by 1. Again, exact details of your product, the dimensions. Now this is the shipping information, or depending on the way of your product, it also depends on shipping. Cash on delivery, if you want to receive the cash once the customer buys it, or you want to receive the cash later on once the customer gets it through delivery. So click here for review, 24 hours review before it gets approved or not. So I certainly hope that this video has been a help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.